friends, my name is Nicole. Welcome to my channel. So you travel a lot or sometimes just forget to water your plants, and you are looking for some plants to decorate your apartment or house but not sure what to begin with? No problem, you're in the right place, because today I'm going to take you with me to go to a big box store, and we are going to find some cool looking, hard to kill, low maintenance, and at the same time air purifying plants for your place. Now, let's go! Today is so beautiful, look at this. Very green leaves, green grass, and blue sky, and spring is definitely here. And I'm so excited to take you guys with me, and we are going to stop by Lowe's. What a sunny day! We just got to Lowe's. Follow me! So we are in the indoor area, indoor plants area. Ooh. This weekend is the Easter weekend. So there are a lot of April blooming plants. Alright, the first one is ZZ plant. ZZ plant is very hardy plant. It's one of the most common and well-known, easy to take care of plant. It's very hardy, and the stem is kind of hard, and the leaves kind of shiny and glossy. The roots grows very long, and in average, ZZ plant can grow to 3 to 4 feet tall. Yes, I'm not exaggerating. They can grow very tall. And very easy to take care of. Watering, they don't need to water a whole lot. They prefer to get completely dry between watering. So I would do 3 weeks to water it, and in summertime I probably would water it more often, but just 2.5 weeks. Just get completely dry. So one way to test the soil if it's good to water is to put your finger into the soil 2 to 3 inches deep. If the soil is completely dry, go ahead. And this one is kind of wet and sticks in my finger, so it just got water. And this one is great. Alright, let's take a look at the second one. The next one is jade plant. Jade plant is also very easy to take care of. It's in the succulent family. Lighting, it requires medium to bright light, so if you can put it by the window sill, it's perfect. But in winter time, I would just put it not that close to the window sill because it tends to get colder, right? Watering, it's very easy to know if the jade plant needs water. If you look at the leaves, this one is very plump, but if you see the leaves kind of wrinkly, it's time to get water. And I would water it thoroughly, let it drain out, and I will not leave any water in the saucer because they don't like it. The next one is the aloe plant. Aloe is very air purifying plant, as everybody know. However, if you want to plant your aloe and possibly eventually eat them, you have to be very careful because not all aloe plants are edible. You might just want to pick aloe vera. Aloe vera is great for eating is also very great for skin. So if you have a little pimple on your face, you just cut the leaf off and put a little juice on the pimple, and it fastens the healing process. Aloe vera, they prefer medium to high light. They are medium grower, by the way. The next one is ta-da! Cactus. It has different color on the top, and this one is yellow. When you water it, make sure you water thoroughly and let it drain out. Don't leave any water in the saucer. So they're cute and great decoration and so easy to take care of and hard to kill. Hi guys, I am back from Lowe's. To be honest, I was a little bit disappointed because they don't have the next plant that I want to talk about. And that is one of my favorite plants as well. It's this guy, snake plant. I really like snake plant. You know what? Let me show it to you. It's kind of heavy. Alright, snake plant is very cool looking plant to me. Look at the color, look at the leaves. It just has very nice pattern. And in the market, there's another one, also very common. Yellow on the edge and in the middle is similar pattern. I like that one a lot too. This one is very hard to kill and very low maintenance. If you forget about it, put it in your bedroom for 2-3 months, it's still alive. It's just like miracle to me. Watering, it also doesn't need much water. I water it like once a month or every 3 weeks when the soil gets completely dry. So this one also prefer to get completely dry between waterings. It's very cool looking. And if you look at the leaves, pretty hard because the leaves store most of the water. Yeah, let me show you. Mine actually has some new shoot right here and also here. And if you look closely, this guy, there's a new shoot right here too. Snake plant is a very slow growing plant, so don't expect it to grow 2 inches within a month. It's not possible, but it can grow up to 3-4 feet tall. It's very normal. Alright, let me put it down. And lighting, I forgot to talk about that. It can survive from very low light to very bright light. If you leave it in your garage, it still can survive. It can grow faster though when you put it in a very bright area. Alright, now you have ZZ plant, jade plant, aloe vera, different types of succulents, and snake plant. Those 5 types of plants are great for travelers or for someone who tend to forget to water them. Just don't do it so often though. A couple times is acceptable, I think. Alright, if you like this video, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe to this channel. I will really appreciate it. Don't forget to share with your friends. Sharing is caring. Alright, I will see you next time.